how to deal with angry people. Okay, like suppose you want to deal with angry people, with rude people, but it is really very hard to go with them, but there is no any options that you cannot leave those people, because those people can be your classmate, those people can be your colleagues, those people can be your boss, those people also can be anyone. Okay, but we have to concentrations how to deal, how to deal with angry people, how to control yourself, how to boon yourself. Okay, at a really very hard topic. Okay, so in these situations, how to deal with you. Okay, I'm not talking about with angry persons, but you will get to know that how to deal with yourself. Where can you keep quiet yourself, where can you shut up your mouth, where can you so much shout on that person. Is it really very good way to deal with that person? No, it is not help you, it is not a good way to deal with anyone. Okay, okay, because in the currently what happened in the currently, maybe according to you that person so much being rude you, being rude with you, that person can be so much angry on you, maybe that person's, but that person hasn't any kind of very worst intentions for you. Maybe that person wants a really very good thoughts for you, but that person's, according to you that person is so much angry, but according to that person so much humble by innerly. So you have to know who's yours and who's not yours. It is really very important things that we will have to know that person is, that person has what kind of persons, that person has intentions for you, because you are with them, not that person is with you. Okay, so in these situations what will you do? Okay, you will try to analyze, observe to the people, observe your colleagues. Okay, I just give example how to observe. Just try to make understand to that person. Okay, if according to that person's a biggest rude with you, biggest angry with you, that just try to understand the problem. Okay, and if you know, so okay, just try to work on that. And if you don't know, so just try to ask the questions by yourself. Why? Why that person so much angry on me? When you will ask to yourself these questions why, definitely you will get to solutions automatically, and you will have to work on that things. If you will get to solutions, relate the questions of why. Okay, and second thing is that you also can give the respect to that person's. In a beginning time you also can give the respect to that person, and after that you also can think that person is so much being humble you, it's okay. And still that person not humble with you, it's okay, leave that person. But there is no any solutions to leave that person. Maybe that person's that person is a boss for you. Okay, so in this situation that you are colleague and second person, and that person is agreed on you, that person is so much rude on you, and that person is a boss. Okay, so in these situations just try to think that is my boss and I am a colleague. Okay, so in this situation I'm not saying that you just trying to pull your legs, just trying to bend in front of the boss. Okay, thing is that you just try to imaginations where have you need, if you need your career, so just try to listen, because that person is angry. Why? Maybe you are not completing the work, you are not completing the target. Just try to complete the target, and after that you also can say, If you want to go with me, definitely I am always ready to go with you. I am so much exciting to work with you. Be politely, you just be politely. By the polite conversation, you also can make good communications with your boss, and you also can solve the problem as well. Okay, but if you will a little bit bold, and if you will think, no, I am like I am everything and my boss is nothing, don't make this kind of misunderstanding, because that person has a key. That person also can remove to you. I'm not saying that you just take any kind of fear about that things, but just try to show your talent. But how to do that? When you will complete your target, when you will show out yourself that you have some kind of unique skills, and because of that skills, your boss will love you. I'm just challenging to you, your boss will love you. You need a conversation, and if you'll make a conversation with that boys, so just try to be yourself as a politely way. If you will politely way to conversation with anyone, that definitely that person will listen to you. Okay, first thing is that. Second thing is that how to deal with the rude person. Of course, you also can rude with that person. Just try to avoid that person's to speak. Just don't speak too much. Okay, and still you also thinking that is not a solution, so definitely on the third steps you also can think, you also can busy yourself. Okay, you can busy yourself with your skills, with your talent, with your working as well, and still that person also like interacting to you again and again. So you also can make conversation as a very quiet way and impressive way. Okay, in these situations you don't have need to speak more and more. Just try to speak slowly, and just use this less of words quantity. But when you are using your words your words should be more and more powerful. If your words really powerful, definitely in these situations that person think, oh my god, I am completely wrong with that person. That person can help me a lot, because that person has really very good nature, very good behavior, and that person is really very cool temperature. So definitely if I will continue with that person, that person will help me a lot, and I also can learn his nature like a very cool temperature. So definitely everyone want to be like that. Okay, so in these situations that person also can come on the right track. Okay, and third thing is I would like to suggest you, suppose your that angry persons can be your mother-in-law. So don't be think, I just give you one a really very beautiful message in this way. Sometimes like our parent-in-law, sometimes sister-in-law, or or sister-in-law, or brother's wife, or can say mother-in-law. So they are really very being so much rude. So don't be think they are enemy for you. First thing is that, just think, okay, it's okay, because they are parent-in-law, definitely they will like that, and one day they will accept me. If they will accept me, it is okay for you. If they will not accept me, it is okay. I will not depend on them. I will depend on myself. I am self independent. So you have to self independent on you. Don't depend on your angry person. Just depend on your humble nature. Just depend on your cool behavior. Okay, when you will depend, when you will be a really very cool and very calm, definitely in these situations you are successful in the world, because you know how can you keep yourself very happy and positive persons. In this life everyone has a lot of stress, but it is really very hard to come out from that stress. So don't take stress, just try to avoid the stress as a angry person, okay, and try and buy that things. You also can be positive yourself for that things. Bye. Have a great good day and sweet dreams and bye. And please, if you want to ask any questions and you have any kind of topic and you want to share with me anything, definitely you can comment me in the chat box. For that things, I will wait for your answers till tomorrow. Bye. Have a great good night. Sweet dreams. Bye.